So students, here I have taken the second question of your exercise 3.1. That is, a coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3900. It means the question is related to cost price. So whenever the question will be of the cost, you always have to start the answer with let the cost price of one article, cost price of second article. In fact, if the question will be of selling price and the profit and loss also, then also you have to start the question by letting the cost price of all the items. So here two items are given, one is bat and second is ball. So let the cost price of one bat, that is equals to x. Let the cost price of one ball, and it's equals to y. Now according to the situation, 3 bats means 3 into x, 6 balls means 6 into y. Total money is 300. Total means plus, it is 3900. So this is equation number 1. First equation. Now second equation. Later he buys another bat. Another bat means one bat. So 1 into x is x. 1 into x is x. Plus 2 more balls means 2y. And the total amount he has given is 1300. So these are the two equations of the cost price. Cost price questions are very easy. You just have to write 3x 6y is equal to 3900. 1x plus 2y is equals to 1300. So this is the algebraical representation. Algebraical representation. Now the second is geometrical representation. Geometrical means graphical. Geometrical and graphical, they both are the same. For graphical representation, let me calculate the two solution of this equation. Let me calculate the two solution of this equation x and y. As the values are very large like 3900, so what I will do, I will put x is equal to 600. Let me put x is equal to 0. So when I will put x is equals to 0, then 0 into 3 is 0. So 6y is equal to 3900. It means we can divide it by 6. When you will divide it by 6, it will turn to 650. So when x is 0, y is equal to 650. Now this time put y is equal to 0. Put y is equals to 0. Y is equal to 0. 6 into 0 is 0. So this term is over from here. So 3x is equal to 3900. X is equal to 1300. So the answer will be 1300. For second equation is x plus 2y is equal to 1300. The table will be like this. X, y. Put x is equal to 0. So 0 and 2y is equal to 1300. So when you will put x is equal to 0, y will be equal to 650. When y is 0, it means this term will be vanished. X is equals to y 0, so x is equal to 1300. Fine. So what will be the graph of this equation? The graph of this equation will be y-axis, x-axis. 0, 650, 1300, 0. It means we will take the values like this. X0, y650. Then y0, x650. So for x we can take the gap of 100, 100. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, then 1100, 1200, 1300. The next is also, it will also go till 1300. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 8, 9,000, 1100, 1200, 1300. First is you have to mention the scale also. 0 and 650. I am just noting this line. 0, 650. X is 0 and 650 is this. This one is point number 1. X 1300. X 1300 and Y is 0. It means this will be the point. Fine. Now you all can join these 2 points by the help of scale. You just join these 2 points. Fine. So this is the line of equation number 1. Equation number 2. 0, x 0, y 650. Same point. X, y 0, x 1300 means x 1300, y 0 means the same point, means the line is also same. So this is the example of the coincident lines. So the lines graphical representation, or we can also say that geometrical representation. The lines in this question are coincident lines. Coincident lines. If the lines coincident, this imply infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. So this is all about the geometrical representation, or we can say that it is a graphical representation. When the solution infinitely many solutions, the system will be consistent. We can answer for all these types of questions. So this is all about the graphical representation, and this is about the. So students, here I have taken the question number 3 of the same exercise. Cost, again the cost price. So let the cost of 1 kg of apple. Let the cost of 1 kg of apple is equals to x. Let the cost of 1 kg of grapes is equals to y. According to the first condition, what they have written, 2 kg of apple. So 2x, 1 into y, so it will be y. Total is 160. After 1 month, the cost is 4 kg of apple means 4x. 2 kg of grapes means 2y, and the total cost is 300. So this is about the algebraical representation. Here I have not written the question that you have to do algebraically and graphically, the same question that we have done in the last 2 questions. So 4x plus 2y is equal to 300. First of all, before plotting the point, we will find out the solution for this equation. Put x is equals to, let me put x is equals to 40. I just have taken it randomly. You can take any other number also. So 2 into 40 plus y is equal to 160. 2 into 40 is 80. So 160 minus 80 is 80. Now put x is equals to, let it be 50. So 2 into 50 plus y is equal to 160. So 2 into 50 is 100. 160 minus 100. And it is 60. So y is equal to 160 minus 100, that is 60. So this is the graphical representation. The table is xy. X 6 for when x was 40, y 80. X 50, y 60. For plotting the line of the table, we have to calculate at least 2 solutions. At least 2 points. Now put x is equals to 50. Put x is equals to 50. Then 4 into 50 plus 2y is equal to 300. 4 into 50 is 200. 200 minus 300. 300 minus 200, sorry. Then it will be 100. Y is equal to 50. Put x is equals to, I am just taking any number, you can take other than this also. 4 into 60 plus 2y is equal to 300. It is 240 plus 2y is equal to 300. So 2y is equal to 300 minus 240. 2y is equal to 300 minus 240. It is 60. So what is the value of y? 30. So this is the table of this equation. X, y, x is 50, y 60. X 60, y 30. X is 50, y is also 50. Fine. Now we have to plot the graph of the same. So how will we plot the graph? By the same method. X, y, 40 and 80, 50, 60. So we can take a gap of 10, 10 also, 20, 20 also. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. First point 40, 80. 40, 80. First point is 40, 80. It means this is the first point. Second 50, 60. 50, 60. 50, 60. This point. 50, 60 is this one. Now just join these 2 points. And this will be the graphical representation of first line. After this, second line. 50, 50. X 50, y is also 50. X 50, y is also 50. Second point, x 60, y 30. X 60, y 30. So x 60, y 30. Now join these 2 points. And this is the graphical representation of second line, and you all are able to see that the lines are parallel lines. Here this is the graphical representation. Graphical representation, and tell me about the lines. The lines are parallel lines. How many solution? No solution, because the lines will never intersect. What about system? It will be inconsistent. It will be inconsistent, because for no solution we are having, the system will be inconsistent. So this is your question number 3 of the NCERT exercise 3.1. Here we have completed all the 3 questions. So algebraical representation and graphical representation. Fine, student. So this is all about the graphical representation. Now you all can complete your exercise. In the next class we will discuss more about the number of solutions. Fine, students. Thank you. Bye bye.